Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ayush, founder of Voice Inflow, and today we are going to make AI UGC ads, or you can say AI product ads. This is the whole workflow which I've created, which you can refer right now. It's completely free, so you can try it out as many times as you want. I have a whole strategy how you can make it totally free. It's not completely free, but if you are willing to make anything free for you, you have that what we say some extra steps you have to take to make it look better than the ones which you have the option of watermarks on. Okay, I will explain it later, but this is like the whole workflow which we are going to follow to make an ad. This is the
Finally,
ad
I can
which we are
proudly
going to
say,
make.
give me the best customer calls you've got.
This is the ad
With
which we
the
are
AI
going to make.
receptionist, everything about my business communication has transformed for the better. Before this, I was constantly juggling calls, missing customer inquiries, forgetting follow-ups, and honestly feeling overwhelmed because I just couldn't handle everything at once. But this system stepped in and started managing every single call for me, both inbound and outbound, completely on its own. It speaks to customers just like a real receptionist would, tired of calls, more organized, calls even a little.
Yeah, so it goes like this in the end. This was the whole lip syncing one with the lip syncing and watermark. You can go with
I
this.
can't explain
like
how much this AI receptionist has changed the way my business is. I feel
without
overwhelmed because I just.
First of all, this is the whole process which we are going to follow, and we first of all we need a product link or the description of your product. You can be an e-commerce brand, or you can have a product which is listed on Amazon or something like that, which has images which is listed on that website. Then we will need a script which can be either ChatGPT based custom script, or which can be like Creatify default script which they give by default. And then we need to choose the character which we are going to use in this following ad. Like I use the two characters over there. And then we have two options, with watermark or without watermark. Without watermark you get a perfect lip syncing, and with watermark with watermark you get a perfect lip syncing, but without watermark you don't get a lip syncing. You are just shown the preview of the whole video, which is there is not even the option of downloading it, which then you must be wondering how I did the video like for free without the watermark. I screen recorded the whole picture, like making it maximum resolution, and then I cut it in parts, and then I joined it inside of the Clipchamp software. It was pretty easy, you can just edit it anytime, but this is the whole structure which I'm talking about. Okay, we are going to use Creatify. You have to make an account, and this is how we are going to make. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you have to open like any what we say browser of your choice. I'll go with this one, Creatify. Here we will just type Creatify. You can directly go to creatify.ai. Okay, so here we are on the website. We'll just go and start for free. I'll just continue with this account. Okay, so it's done. Here you can see my logged in is done to my Creatify account, and just we have to make an ad. Where it is, we will just search for Creatify ads, and then we'll just click on here. Okay, so now we will just start for free. Okay, so this is the page which we get when we are talking about the first process in our workflow, that is to get our product link. So we will just go to Amazon and choose a random product because Amazon will choose a random product. We'll go with Whoop. These are pretty good bands. Let's go with this one. You have to copy the product link. You can just add the product link which you have, and then just paste it over here, and then click on analyze URL. Now it will analyze the whole URL, find all of the images from the URL, find the product description, find the product name, find the whole script. Scripting will be in the next step, but it will just find all of the information from the whole web page. We'll wait for that to happen. Okay, so now as you can see over here, you can see the product name, the logo is missing. Okay, the product description is taken, the images are also done. Just select all of these images, and then no, we don't want the testimonial images, that will not look perfect. We'll just okay. We'll just go with these images. These are better. We can add in promotional info, like this was my original price, this is my promotional price. You can go with this. Okay, so now we have to click on next. This is like the whole product description and the name of the product, the images which we are using to make the perfect ad. Here I had added my own images from my own custom ad, which you can add over there in that images section. Now we just have to wait. Let's just let it load. It doesn't take that much of time. Like if you're taking the average amount of time which can be taken, which can be invested into making an ad, it's perfectly fine. It can almost averagely take 10 minutes to 15 minutes to make a single ad, and it depends on completely on your plan. And like we get around 10 credits over here, as you can see, and a video can be exported in 10 credits. Okay, so now we are here. We'll just click on journal platform. I don't want to specify, and 9:16 ratio, that is the portrait, and let's click on 60 seconds, maybe no, 30 seconds better. Target audience is my filth enthusiast, yeah, all of this. So I'll just click it all. Just taking it again. Okay, now we'll just click on next. We have to wait for the AI to generate a script, which I was talking about in the process. You have two options. You can go with ChatGPT based script, which is totally custom, or you can just go with CREATIFY's custom script. I mean the AI generated script which I have generated based on the product, the images, and the description. Okay, so now we got different types of scripts, different tones of the scripts. We will just, this is what your body is warmed up in, sees symptoms, years out there, device predicted me, anti-aging, battery life. I will just go with energy optimization. This sounds better, and we'll go with Gen Z tone. Tired of all of the don't know why. Okay. Let's go with next. Okay, so now we have reached the next step. We have to choose the avatar. We will choose a fitness guy. Done. Industry will be fitness. Where is fitness? Health. Yes, this sounds crazy. We'll choose the health one, and we'll continue with the style, that is presenter. I don't want a selfie style. Okay, so now in fitness health, I think this is not a totally healthy scene. I can see over here. Don't take adults. Style presenter. Let's let it go. Industry will be health. Okay. This sounds crazy. This is better. And if you are looking at the gym, okay, we have this option over here, or we have something like this option over here. These two, or this option over here. This is also better. Let's do one thing. Let's just select the first one, the beach guy over here. That is pro. I forgot. Okay, so you have to just look here. If it's pro, then you have to buy it out. I will just go with the free version. Do we have free? Yeah, this is free. We'll continue with this. We have to select two of those. We'll go with this and this one, and click on next. Okay, we'll wait until it is completed. This step can take about 1 to 2 minutes. We'll just wait. Yes, so here we can see there are 16 videos generated. We have to select one or more to render. We can only select one, as we have really less credits, only 10, and one can take up to 10. Okay, I think this, we will just watch it out one by one. No, this is not great. I don't see it that fine. Yeah.
This device literally exposes if your heart rate variability is ruining your energy game. Whoop tracks your HRV nightly and shows exactly how stress, trash sleep, or going tired all the time but don't know why. This device literally exposes if your heart rate variability is ruining your energy game. Whoop tracks your HRV nightly and shows exactly how stress, trash sleep, or going too hard kills your recovery. Low HRV, tired all the time but don't know why? This device literally exposes if your heart rate variability is ruining your energy game. Whoop tracks your HRV nightly and shows exactly how stress, trash sleep, or going too hard kills your recovery.
There's no lip syncing over here, right?
Don't tell me you're missing out on today's rush for next level energy tracking. Hurry! With NutriTrack Ultra, you can finally uncover why you're always tired and take charge of your daily energy levels. This device literally exposes if your heart rate variability is ruining your energy game. Whoop tracks your HRV nightly. Project Week, which totally explains why I felt dead inside.
I will.
The daily strength coach straight
go with the unwatermarked style editing right here, and then I will render one of these videos.
Tired all the time, but don't know too hard kills. Daily strength coach straight 15 plus days per charge. This is the number one poses if your heart rate recovery low.
Perfect. This is looking great. I'll render this video, and then so if you choose the Aurora model, you have to pay. That is, it takes 20 credits, and as you have only 10 credits, you have to select the standard model. And you cannot remove watermark. So we'll just render and stay. It is rendering right now over here, you can see. Till then we'll just go to that section over here. It was this one. Yeah, it was this one. Now what we can do is that we can screen record this whole page. As you can see, this is the whole structure. This is the whole total screen of mine. I will just zoom in onto this video right over here, and I will just center it out like this. And 1 second, I will center it out something like this. Yeah, something like this. Then I will lock it out, and then I will screen record this whole page over here. This is like the whole page, this right here, and then I will cut out the whole recording from this side to this side to this side to this side over here, like in all directions, and I will make it look like it was normal. And then I will just, it's like it will be cut it out, and it will look like a total ad, and there is no difference. You can just go to Clipchamp and then edit the whole thing out. I will show you how I did before. Until it's rendering, till that time I will just show you how you can go with the freeway. This is also freeway for one time, but if you want to go with like no watermark but less lip syncing, then you can go with this type of the way which we are talking about. Let's just let it load. Yeah, it's this video. So as you can see over here, this was my total screen recording which I had taken. This was the complete screen recording, and then I just cropped it out on this format, in the size of what we say vertical 9:16 ratio. And then this was like the whole 3 recordings which I had taken in different formats, and then I just took it all off and then joined all of them with the perfect audio and with the perfect size matching, and this was the ad which was done. You can see there is no accurate lip syncing, but it's perfect considering that it was totally free. This was for the AI receptionist for my agency, which we were just trying things out before making the actual video. So we are done. We are almost done. It's 95%. We'll wait until it works out. It takes 30 to 60 seconds. For me, it just takes 45 to 50 maybe. It's quite fast. So this is the rendered one. We can download it by clicking on here and download. We can see our download much. Yeah, it's downloading. This is the complete video.
The number one way to uncover if your body is secretly running on empty. With Routine, discovering why constant fatigue persists becomes simpler than ever. This device literally exposes if your heart rate variability is ruining your energy game. Whoop tracks your HRV nightly and shows exactly how stress, trash sleep, or going too hard kills your recovery. Low HRV equals your nervous system is absolutely cooked. Mine tanked 40% during a chaotic project week, which totally explained why I felt dead inside. The Daily Strain Coach straight up tells me when to go beast mode or chill out. It monitors everything 24/7 for 14 plus days per charge. Get actual answers about your energy with Whoop Peak's 12-month membership.
Okay, perfect. It works. Our whole video is also downloaded. Nice. This is the downloaded one. Okay, so here's how you can just make this whole thing, and you can create unlimited type of videos just by screen recording and then cutting out things like I did in Clipchamp over here. And there are endless possibilities which you can create if you want to make a basic ad which is like in FaceTime with an actor or an avatar. And there are many options in this whole catalog. There are many options for different avatars which you can select for your personal preference. And you can use better scripts using ChatGPT. You can add point marks, you can add gestures in this, and it's completely new area to explore if you're trying to make AI UGC ads for completely free. Okay, so this was the whole thing. We made an ad for WAP and it's ready. We have 16 templates and 2 videos which we are going to render. First is done, and this is we are going to screen record and cut it out to match perfectly. Okay, so let me know how this video was in the comments. Till then, let's meet in another video.